I'm Dr. Gold. I've been a dentist for 25 years. My patients come to me to revamp their smiles. So cosmetic dentistry is a very, very important part of what I do. A smile is associated with your personality and mood. So giving you a smile that you can be proud of helps build your confidence and makes you happy. And really, that's the rewarding part of my job. A white smile is just as important as a straight and a complete one. For years, I have recommended teeth whiteners to my patients, some with good results, some with not so good results. When I looked at the clinical study for Love Your Teeth, I was blown away by the results. I had to try it in my office, and I did. On myself, on my staff, on my patients, we were all amazed by the results. Love Your Teeth really works. Now I finally have a product that I can proudly stand behind to give to my patients so they can get that extra boost they need to let their beautiful smile shine. Finally, an at-home teeth whitening product that I can recommend with confidence.